my math. No, I went to the center. I did my math first part, and for the second part, it started, sir. And then there was a fire alarm, like a fire drill or something, and everyone had to walk out of the building.
Oh, fire accident.
I don't know if it is real or it's just
Something,
a drill or
something. Yeah.
something. Yeah, but the fire alarm started ringing up, and we had to get out of the building. And after we got out of the building, the school administration contacted the college board, and they said that if they have time, we can complete the second module, or they're going to make up a makeup test. For me, it was like 20 minutes, and I had 22 questions or something. But by the time we reached the classroom, it was like 15 minutes, and I had 20 questions or something.
Okay, okay.
So I had to ask them for so I was like, I will drop out this exam and I'll take a makeup session. So they're gonna give me another exam. They're gonna schedule it for me.
Oh, how was the exam questions? What the questions?
The first module was fine, sir. I did good in mathematics compared to English.
Okay, but it was not considered. Okay, when will we expect next exam?
They have to mail me, so that's what they said. In the past, some of them also had it this way, but they didn't have it like they went to the school and they took the test. But before the test date, they canceled the exam. So for them, they
Oh,
updated it after 2 weeks or something. So that's what I think they're gonna do it for me as well, sir.
okay. It happened only for the students who took exam in that center only.
Yes, sir. In that center, who took that exam?
Remaining, remaining.
Few of them might have started like 10 minutes before us or something because of the school code, like the exam code and stuff, sir. So for them, they had like enough time to complete the test. So whoever was confident for their answers, they submitted the test and they didn't ask for a makeup.
Okay, 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 okay. And you told about one another exam in the last week of this month. What about that?
Yes, sir. I think they are gonna put that in the school, sir. Yes, sir. I'm
Same.
gonna have that in the school. SAT, yes, sir.
So this exam will be conducted in later.
Yes, sir. This exam, they said they're gonna conduct it later.
Later. They will announce the date.
They'll mail me about it, sir, but they didn't do it yet. I
Okay,
mean, they don't announce it because it happened only for one center, no, sir. So they're gonna mail me about what and all.
okay, okay. College board.
Yes, sir.
Okay, it's very bad luck. How is the paper overall questions from which chapter?
Overall, it was from for the first module, it was algebra, trigonometry, circles, and word problems, sir.
Word problems. Okay, okay, great.
Yeah. Sir, for the circle question, they asked me a question.
Yes,
Uh,
right.
I don't remember the question, but they gave me what points lie on the circle, sir.
Yes, right. Yeah,
Y- y-
just plug in those
Yeah.
points.
So plug in the points and find which one gives zero, no, sir.
Yes, yes, exactly.
Yeah, I tried that, but none of the answers gave me a zero.
Oh, and there is another. Is there option none?
No, sir, nothing like that. They gave us an option. So it was like x minus 3 whole square
Yes,
plus x minus 3 whole square
yes,
plus y minus 7 whole square
right.
equals 16.
Yeah. Okay, okay, right.
And they gave options like 3 comma 7, negative 3 comma negative 7, and
For example, it is like 25
yes, sir.
point 6 comma 11. For example, 6 comma 11 lies on the circle. You know how? Substitute
6,
6, plug in 6 comma 11 and 6 minus 3, 3, 3 square 9.
yes,
11 minus 7, 4, 4 square 16 is
yes, sir.
equal to 25. Same.
Yes,
Satisfies. That's why 6 comma 11 is on it. The
yes,
point 6 comma 11 lies on this circle.
yes.
Yeah. And there are so many points. 0 comma 2. Sorry. 0 comma 3, 0, 3 also lies on that circle. Because plugging 0, 3 in. 9 plus 3 minus 7, 4, 4 square 16. 9 plus 16, 25. Got it? This is
Yes.
the procedure. There might be mistake in question, or there might be a mistake in calculation. It's very easy to plug in this format. Or you can do, you can expand this, and after you can plug in. But it is the easy way. Yeah, is there is equal 25 something like this? Or 16?
So it was 16, sir.
Yeah, even though.
And they gave me 3, 7, negative 3, negative 7.
Points equation is x minus 3, x minus 3 only.
Yes, sir.
X minus 3 whole square plus
Y minus 7 whole square
is
equals
16. Okay. Points example.
3, 7. 7, negative 3, negative 3, negative 7.
Okay.
And then there was like root options.
Yeah,
Other
root
rest
root
two
is
are
the-
root.
okay. Okay. If what happens if we substitute 0, it will be 0, not equal to 16, right?
Yes, sir.
And for the second also 0, not 16. And the roots.
Even the root answers I substituted to find the answers, but they did not give me 16 or I thought maybe it shouldn't be equal to 16, so I have to get 16 to left hand side. So I even substituted that way and they didn't result me in zeros.
Okay. Even roots answers, possibility is there for root answers.
Yes, sir, I tried that and I didn't find it out, sir. So I thought maybe if I put that in the Desmos, like the equation, I think I'll find the points in there. And I tried that one and I couldn't find it that way also.
Oh, x minus 3 whole square plus 5 minus 7 whole square. The point. So the point must be on the circle. Yeah, then we can conclude that there is a mistake in the question only. Or yeah, as you know the process, you might be correct. But for roots also, it must be 16. As we know, 16 cannot be expressed as the sum of the two squares. For example, if it is 25, it can be expressed as the sum of two squares, 9 plus 16.
Yes.
And 0 plus 25. 0 square plus 5 square. Okay. And 9 plus. Yeah, that's it. It can be expressed as sum of the two squares. But 16, is it possible to express 16 as sum of two squares? 0 square plus 4 square is one way. I think there is no other way except 0 square plus 4 square, like 9 plus 16. And so one must be 0. That means if it is 3, it must be 11. 3, 11. 3, 11 might be one answer. Or 7, 7 is one answer. 7, 7 is one of the answers. You know what happens when we plug in 7, 7, 7 minus 3, 4, 4 square 16, right?
Yes, sir.
7 minus 7, 0, 0 square 0. So 16 plus 0, 0. Okay. Yeah, might be like this. Questions, points must be like this. You couldn't find this type of point?
No, sir.
There was no point like this.
No, sir.
Okay. So I think that your calculation is correct, but there might be a mistake in the question. Yeah, right. Very clear. It must be 16, and there is no chance for having a negative value in this case.
Yes.
Yeah, good. We will have. Is it possible to upload that question in for them to upload that question in net?
No, sir, I don't think so until they actually give us the entire question paper out.
Yeah, they will send you a mail.
They'll send me a mail saying that your slot is so and so and stuff, sir.
Not question paper, only mail information.
Yes, sir.
Not question paper.
Even the even the invigilator who he was in the test room. When we ask her questions, she was like, this never happened in the history. We don't know what's going on. We never faced this issue in so many SAT centers and all that.
Oh. It, I, at last, what's the reason? Did they tell the reason? For
No, sir. No, nothing.
yeah, they maintained confidentiality. Right?
I think so. Because by the time we got out and all, people actually exited the entire exam itself, sir. In the exam, digitally, there's an option exit the exam, and they actually did that without even asking the professor, like the invigilator.
Okay. See, it happens sometimes. Don't worry. Definitely maybe the same exam will be connected maybe in next month or some other date on some other date.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Right. How many floors for the school for the center?
Lower, sir, nothing.
First floor, second floor. Yeah, that like
No,
stairs.
I don't think there's. I think the school doesn't have it that way, but it has blocks, sir.
Okay,
So
bro.
it's like ground level blocks everywhere.
No, then no problem then. Okay, try this. If f is a linear function, f of 3 is equal to and f of 5 is equal to 6. What is the y-intercept of the graph of f? You know what is the y-intercept? Y-intercept can be obtained by putting x is equal to 0.
Yes.
Put x is equal to 0. To put x is equal to 0, we need equation. To find equation, we need 1.1 slope or 2 points, right?
Yes.
You know the formula, 2 points form.
Y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1.
Yeah, when that is called point slope form. But only 2 points are given, then also there is a formula for it. Y minus y1 is equal to x2 minus x1 into x minus x1 into y2 minus y1. This is the same formula because if we bring y2 minus y1, x2 minus x1 to right hand side, it will be y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1, which is equal to slope. Got it?
Yes, sir.
So y minus y1 is equal to slope into x minus x1, right? So here, there are 2 points given. This is x, this is y. So this point is 3, 2. So this point is 5, 6. Use these 2 points, okay, and find the equation. After finding the equation, put x is equal to 0 to know y-intercept. Right now, it is x1, y1. x2, y2. Go ahead.
Y minus 2
Yes.
times 6 minus
6 minus
5.
5 minus.
Sorry. 5 minus 3
Yeah.
equals x minus 3,
Yeah.
6 minus 2.
Very good. And our purpose is not to simplify, not to get the equation. Our purpose is to know y-intercept. That's why just put x is equal to 0 even before simplifying that equation. Even before simplifying that equation, we can put x is equal to 0. See what happens. Y minus 2 times 2 x minus 3, 0 minus 3, that is negative 3, 4. Y minus 2 into 2 is times 2 is equal minus 12. Y minus 2 is equal minus 12 by 2. Negative 6. Y minus 2 is equal negative 4. Option?
D, sir.
Yeah. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Midpoint formula?
Yes, sir. x1
midpoint.
plus 2 by 2, comma y1 plus y2 by 2.
X1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. Right. Now find midpoint of M and A and equate that midpoint. The midpoint. No. It is the midpoint. That means this is A of 2A comma B, B of B comma A. The midpoint is M. Yes. Find midpoint and equate it to 5 comma negative 3. 2A plus B by 2 comma B plus A by 2 is equal 5 comma negative 3. Equate 2A plus B is equal to 10. B plus A is equal to negative 6, which is equal to A plus B. How to solve them? Just subtract. BB cancel. 2A minus A is equal to 16. That's it. We don't need to find B only because only A is asked. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Answer?
Option
C.
is
The cost of long distance telephone call is determined by a basic fixed charge for the first 5 minutes and a fixed charge for the each additional minute. If a 15-minute call costs $3.5 and a 20-minute call costs $4.75, what is the total cost in dollars of 40-minute call? Yeah, let the charge for first 5 minutes be X dollars, right?
yes,
And the charge for each additional minute be Y dollars, right? Additional minute, right?
yes,
So if you 15 minutes call means first $5 it costs X dollars, right?
yes,
X dollars plus additionally 10 minutes. 15 minus 5, 10, okay?
yes,
Charge for first 5 minutes is X dollars and the remaining 10 minutes, for the remaining 10 minutes, Y dollars for each minute. So 10 minutes, 10 Y. Its cost is $15. Sorry, $3.5, right?
yes,
For the equation, create similar such equation for the next statement. And a 20-minute call costs $4.75, which means X plus
x plus,
first 5 minutes X dollars.
yes, sir.
The remaining out of 20 minutes,
15,
yeah, 15Y. Got good. Is equal to $4.75. When we subtract 15Y minus 10Y, 5Y.
right.
4.75 minus
When we
3.5.
subtract, it will be negative
Yeah,
5.
that's why we are cancelling negative on both sides.
Oh, yes, sir, yes.
4.75 minus 3.5, 1.25. Cancelling Y on both sides. 0.25. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Y is equal to $0.25. What is asked actually? Yeah, in dollars for 40-minute call. So we need to find the value of X. You can choose any of these two equations to find the value of X. If we take the first equation, X plus 10Y, Y is equal to 0.25. 10Y means 2.5. X plus 2.5 is equal to 3.5. So X is equal 3.5 minus 2.5.
0.5.
No, 1 no.
Sorry, 1.
3.5 minus 2.5, 1. Got it?
Yes.
X is 1. X is 1, y is equal to 0.25. Yeah. Calculate for 40 minutes. Out of 40 minutes, for the first 5 minutes, it is $1. The remaining
39.
35 minutes.
Sorry, for the 5 minutes. Yes, sir, 35 minutes.
For each minute, it is 0.25.
So it will be 35 times 0.25. 8.75.
Yeah, 1 plus 8.75.
9.75.
No. 35 times 0.25.
8.7.
Yeah, 8.75. Correct only. Total options.
Option C, sir.
You know, R 2,6. The question is, line M is perpendicular to line L, you know. We can find the equation of M. How to find the equation of M?
Equation of...
Yeah, 1 point. If we know 1 point on M and we need slope, right?
Sir, we can find the slope of one line and then perpendicular line.
You can find the slope of this line. From this, we can find the slope of its perpendicular line. You know the relation between the slopes of perpendicular lines and parallel lines?
Yes, so they're opposite and reciprocal.
Yes, right. Find slope of L.
6 minus 6 by negative 6
by 8.
8. Yes, sir.
Sorry, 6 by 6. 2 plus 4. 6 minus 0 by
2 plus 4.
2 plus 4.
6 by 6.
1, right?
Negative 1 is the slope first.
Yeah, its slope is negative 1.
No, sir. Yes, sir. Yes.
Point is 2,6. We can find the equation of
I minus 6 equals negative 1 times x minus 2.
X plus y is equal to 8. Got it?
Yes.
But we need the point Q. Q is on x-axis, right? For the points on x-axis, y coordinate is equal to 0.
Oh, 0. So 8, 0.
So this point is 8, 0. Right?
Yes. Yes, sir.
And you know, can you tell the length of this line?
6, sir.
Very good, very good. Can you find the distance between P and Q?
12, sir.
Very good. Area of triangle formula of
Half times 6 times 12.
Yeah. 6 times, no, 12 times 6, right? Answer? 36. Got it?
Yes.
It is very clear that x is equal to 1 and x is equal to 3 are the
3, 1 minus 1 plus 2.
1 and 3. Which of the following is the value of BR? Right. That means x is equal to 1 and x is equal to 3 are zeros of that expression, x square minus ax plus b.
Yes, sir.
Right?
Yes.
So we can put 1 and equate it to 0.
Yes, sir. So 3 square minus 3a plus b
You are
equals
putting x equal 3 or x equal 1.
x equals 3, sir.
Yeah. 9 minus 3a plus b is equal to 0, right? We need
Yes.
another equation.
1 minus
1 minus a
plus b equals 0.
subtracting 8 minus 2a is equal to 0.
0.
A is equal to 4.
Yes, sir.
To know the value of b, put a is equal to 4.
1 minus 4.
1 minus 4 plus b is equal to 0. B is
b 3.
got it?
Option C, sir. Yes, sir.
Y directly proportional. Yeah, it's very interesting question. Can you tell the value of a? See, observe the relation between the values of x and that of y. This is 5 terms of this, right?
Yes, sir.
So if there is 10, the y value must be 50.
Yes, sir.
If there is 2, it must be 10.
20. Sorry, 10.
If it is 100, then it is 500. So tell the value of a very clearly. For the second row, from the second row, we can find the relation between x and y.
5a minus a by a minus 1.
Nothing. See, how to get the second value when the first value is given or no? Just multiply it by 5.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, by 5 terms of x value is equal to y value. It's very clear.
Yes, sir.
5 terms of x value is equal to y value.
Yes, sir.
Tell the value of a.
Oh, option C, 5, sir.
Yes, very good. That's correct. Sometimes just common sense helps to solve problems.
Yes, sir.
If one root of a quadratic equation to x square plus x minus k is equal to 0 is 1, what's the other root of the equation? Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you can use sum of the roots or we can put x equal to 1. There are two methods. Easy method is finding the sum of the roots or product of the roots is better. Oh, yeah, sum of the roots is better. What is sum of the roots formula?
Negative b by a.
Negative b by a. Sum of the roots. Negative 1 by 2, right? Got it?
Yes, sir.
And one root is 1. So 1 plus other root. We don't know the other root. Which is equal to negative 1 by 2. One root is 1. We don't know the another root. 1 plus alpha is equal to minus 1 by 2. Alpha is equal to
Negative
negative 1 by 2, negative 1. That is equal to negative 3 by 2.
Yes.
Got it?
Yes.
Option?
Option B, sir.
In the xy plane, semicircle has a maximum point P. What's the coordinates of Q? Coordinates of Q are asked, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, if we drop a perpendicular on x-axis, can you tell its coordinates? It's very clear. This is as you told in the previous question. Its height is 7, right? Right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Can you tell its coordinates? For example, PQR. Let it be R or C. Can you tell the coordinates of this point? C coordinates?
0, 4, sir.
No, 4, 0.
Sorry, 4, 0.
Very clearly, center is 4, 0 and radius is 7. Radius is 7. And you know one thing, even if it is semicircle or circle, all radii are equal. Agree? All radii are equal. Agree? Radii, all radii are equal. You know, this
Yes,
is
sir.
radii, this is radii, all radii are equal, right?
Yes, sir.
So this is 7, so this must be 7. This must be 7. So as CQ, QC also 7, right?
Yes, sir.
Q is just 7 units left side of C. Q is 7 units left side of Q, left side of C. Yeah. C, 1 unit left side of C is 3, 0, right?
Yes.
2 units left side of C is 2, 0. Go on like that. This is x-axis.
Yes.
This is 4, 0.
Yes, sir.
This is 3, 0. This is 2, 0. This is 1, 0. This is 0, 0. This is negative 1, 0. Go on. Go on and try to tell the coordinates of Q. How many units covered? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next. Minus 2, 0.
Minus 2, 0, minus 3, 0.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
Answer. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right?
Yes, sir.
Answer. This point is 7 units left side of C. What is the answer?
Negative 4, 0.
No, negative 3, 0. See, counts.
Oh. Oh, yes. Got it. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, simply you can do this. 4, 0. Okay. And the answer is 4 minus 7, 0. Because it is 7 units left side of C. And if it is 7 units right side of C, that means, for example, please try to answer this question. If this question is asked, what is your answer? What are the coordinates of A? A is 7 units right side of C.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Answer?
Option B, sir.
Yes. Of course. Here is correct. Just we are just working on it. What are the coordinates of A? This point. Left side means subtraction. Right side means adding.
Addition.
This left side, we subtracted 7 from 4. Since it is right side, we need to
add 7.
Yeah. Tell.
So 11, 0.
Yes, yes, very good. That's correct. Of course, it's not asking the question, just our understanding. Yeah. Got the answer? Is it clear?
Yes.
The cost of an automobile increase each by 2.4%, and the cost this year is $20,000. The cost of the automobile is given by Cn is equal to 20,000 times x power n. What is the value of x, right? Yeah, it is increasing by 2.5%, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, its actual price is 20,000. It increases automobile. That means increases, right? If we buy, once we buy, its value decreases. Yes?
Yes.
If it is in the showroom, its value increases. If it is at our home, its value decreases. Even if we don't use it. Yeah, 20,000 plus 20,000 times 2.5 by 100, right?
Yes, sir.
Take 2,000 common, 20,000 common. 1 plus 2.5 by 100, you know, it is 0.025. Full power n. How much increases by year? Yeah, we don't need this. 1 plus whole power n, that's it. It's formula. For 1 year, it is correct. For multiple years, the formula is, you know, this formula, A into 1 plus R by 100 whole power n. This is compound interest formula. Compound interest formula is A into 1 plus R by 100 whole power n. Got it? Here R is 2.5. 2.5 by 100 is 0.025. So question is 20,000 times, yeah, 1.025 whole power n. Answer this question now. What is its answer?
1.025. Option B, sir.
Option B. If 25%, yeah, it's very interesting. You can do it. Do it. 25 into m by 100 is equal to 50. From that, you can find the value of m. After finding value of m, find 15% of 2m.
Yes.
Doing?
1 second. Sir. If 25. So 1 second, sir. I'll be back.
Oh.
25% of M is 25% of M is 50. M is 200.
Yes, correct. M is 200. So 15 by 100 times 200.
10 times 4.
4? Yeah, sorry, it is 2m. 2m.
60,
Yeah, 2m. Yes.
60. Option B, sir.
Correct. If a and b are positive integers, a power minus 4, b power minus 1 is equal to 16, and b is equal to a square, which of the following could be the value of a, right? We can replace b, a power negative 4, a square, whole power minus 1 is equal to 16. What's the value of a power negative 4 into a square? A power negative 2, right?
Yes, sir.
Whole power negative 1 is equal to 16. So it is a square, right? A square is equal to 16. That is 4 square. A square is equal to 4 square. Therefore, a is equal.
A equals 4, sir.
Yeah. We can verify it. A power negative 4, b is equal to a square. That means 16.
16.
A is equal to 4. 4 power negative 4.
Negative 4
Into
times
4 square.
4 square equals.
Whole power minus 1. 4 power minus 2, whole power minus 1. 4 square is equal to 16. Yeah, it is just logic question.
PQ.
Just logic question. What might be PQ? Just use your just logic.
What can it be?
Yeah, simple. Do you remember one statement, general statement, basic statement regarding the sides of a triangle?
Oh, 4 plus 3 equals 7 and 8 plus 6
Sum of any two sides
14.
must be greater than the third side, right? Sum of any two sides must be greater than the third side. So PQ must be greater than 7. Sorry, less than 7. Got it?
Then 7, sir. Sir,
7 is
but it should third side should be more than the two sides, no, sir.
sum of any two sides. Yeah, no. Third side need not be greater than any of the sides, but the condition is sum of any two sides must be greater than
Oh,
third side.
yes, sir. Got it. Got it.
So 3 plus 4 must be greater than p cube.
Yes, sir.
3 plus 4 must be greater than p cube. Then what might be p cube? Option A can be p. Option A is right or wrong?
Yeah. Yes, sir. Because 9 is greater than 4 and 3.
See, sum of any two sides is
Should-
greater than third side.
Oh, yes, no, sir.
You're wrong because 3 plus 4 not greater than 9.
7. So is it answer 6, sir?
Yes, correct only. Actually, we are not using these values. Without using these values, you can find it.
Yes.
Because these are bigger values, right?
Yes, sir.
What the point here?
Yes, sir.
Sum of any two sides must be greater than third side. There's a logic here. And I'm revising one more point. Check any equilateral triangle. This is a very useful point, useful tip.
Yes.
It is an equilateral triangle, right?
Yes.
The side is A, the side is small a. We are finding the relation between side and height. In other words, it is called altitude.
Yes.
Altitude or height. There is a relation between side and altitude. See, it is equilateral triangle, so it must be 60 degrees, right?
Yes.
Take sine 60 degrees. Sine formula, which side by which side?
Opposite by hypotenuse.
Take this triangle only, this part only. By taking this part only.
H by A.
H by A, very good. Sine 60 degrees is equal to H by A.
Root 3 by 2.
Very good.
Sorry.
Root 3 by 2. Sine 60 root 3 by 2 is equal to H by A, right?
Yes, sir.
So, if we want H, it is equal to root 3 by 2 times A.
Yes.
If side is known, from side we can find height by using this formula, right?
Yes.
And if height is known, we can find side. You know how? Do cross multiplication.
2.
Root 3A is equal to H, right?
Yes. A
A
equals to H by root 3.
2 by root 3 times H. So if we know height, from that we can find side by using this formula.
Yes.
To find side, it is 2 by root 3 times H. If you know side and want to know the height, formula is H is equal to root 3 by 2A, right?
Yes, sir.
Now, it is a sphere. Let the side of this sphere be A. This is A. This is A. This is A. This is A. Observe this, right?
Yes.
And the area of BCD, this area, equilateral triangle area is given. This area is given as how much? 16 root 3. This is 16 root 3, right?
Yes.
Do you know there is a formula to find the area of equilateral triangle?
Yes.
What is formula to find the equilateral triangle area? Of course, these points are not used here. Without using these points, we can solve this sum. What is formula to find the equilateral area of equilateral triangle? Root 3 by 4 A square.
Root 3 by 4 A square.
Root 3 by 4 A square is equal to 16 root 3.
Yes.
Root 3 cancel. A square is equal to 64. Got it? 4 16 are 64. Right?
Yes.
What is area of this part? Area of square. We assumed side is A units. Then what is its area?
Root 3 by 4 A square.
No, area of this square.
A squares.
A square. What's the value of A square? Just now we have found the we have calculated the value.
64, sir.
That's it. That's it. So area of square is 64. That's it.
Yes,
Yeah. Answer.
option C, sir.
Got it?
Yes.
Yeah, we didn't use this point, but these are very useful points. Note these points. H is equal to root 3 by 2 times A and A is equal to 2 by root 3 times H. Got it?
Yes.
The angle with a measure of 210 degrees has a measure of R radians. Just it is converting degrees into radians. You know how to convert degrees into radians? Degrees can be converted into radians. How to convert?
5 times 45. 7 times 7 times 35. 45.
Yeah, may I tell the formula? Just multiply pi by 180.
Yes, sir. Eleven times 180 by 6, 330. 3 times 180 by 2. 7 times 180 by 180 by 6. Say it's option B, sir.
Yes. 7 pi by 6, correct only. You know, just I am giving one interesting relation between sine and cos. What is sine 30 degrees?
Sine what's 30 degrees? Cos 60 degrees.
Very good. Sine 30 degrees is equal to cos degrees. Got it?
Yes.
Then sum of these two values must be 90 degrees. Yeah, I am giving the formula here. If sine A is equal to cos B, then A plus B is equal.
90 degrees.
Yes, yes. Then only possible. Whenever A plus B is 90 degrees, sine A is equal to cos B. Sine 30, 1 by 2, cos 60 also 1 by 2. Yeah. Use that concept to find the value of x.
What is x for? 3x plus 5 plus 2x minus 15 equals 90. 5x minus 10 equals 90. 5x equals 100. X equals 20. 20, sir.
X is equal to 20. Correct only. We can check it. 20 plus 5, 25. Sorry, 65. It is 65 degrees. 2 into 20, 40. 40 minus 15, 25. 65 plus 25, 90. Perfect. It's very interesting question, right?
Yes.
Let the length, breadth, height. Let the length be L, breadth be B, height be H. Right? You know, one is a wall. This is one.
Yes.
It's a rectangle. You know, in cuboid, every side is a rectangle.
Yes, sir.
Can you tell its formula? Rectangle area formula?
Length times breadth.
Here it is B times H.
Yes.
It is given as 8.
Yes.
Very clear, BH is equal to 8.
Yes.
Next, 2. How to find 2? It is 2, right?
Yes.
How to find the area of 2? 2 is also a rectangle, right?
Yes.
Length. Can you tell its length? L only.
Else.
Yeah, breadth. Breadth means it is L. Yeah, B, same as B, right? It is B, parallel to it, B, right?
So is the answer 40?
L into B. Its area is L into B, right?
So is the answer 40 for the entire
40,
question?
yeah, I think correct. How did you do?
Sir, the breadth is 4, no, sir. and the length is 5 and the height is 2.
Height is 2. Yeah.
3 times h is 8 and it is 10 and it is b is 2. So 2 times 5 is 10, that satisfies the second one. And this is 20 and the height is 4. So 4 times 5, 20.
Yeah. It all that B is 2 and H is 4, right?
Yes, sir. L is 5.
How could you say L is 5? LB is equal to top 10 now. Yeah, correct only. That means B is equal to, yes, 5. Yeah, right only. Correct, correct. Perfect. Answer is 40. 2 times 4 times 5. Correct only. Yeah. Yes. Otherwise, if the numbers are very big and we cannot, whenever we can't separate LBH, just use this. LB times BH times by LH. By doing this equation, we can find the value of, sorry, HH cancel, LL cancel, B square. The result will be equated to B square so that we can find the value of B, right?
Yes.
Similarly, we can find the values of A and H also. Got it? Very good idea. The function defined by f of x equal x square plus 3x, for which value of x is f of x equal to 18.
So it will be x square plus 3x minus 18 0. Say it's option C3, sir.
Yes, correct only. Because 9 plus 9, 18.
So I put that in Desmos and I found it, sir.
Oh, very good, very good. Do it.
The circle bias.
Yeah, what is the area of the park in square? Just convert it into miles. Circular area. Radius is equal to 2.5. So then area is equal to pi r square. 5 times 2.5 times 2.5.
0.255.
Yeah, and acres. 1 mile is equal to 640 acres. Yeah, it is 6.25 pi square miles. Got it?
Yes, sir.
So the answer is 6.25 pi into 6.25 into 1 mile is equal to 640, right?
Yes, sir.
You know, this is square miles means mile square. Units can be written like this also, right?
Yes, sir.
Miles square. Yeah, better to convert to avoid confusion. Just better to convert the radius into acres in the beginning. It's very useful and very simple.
So 1 is 650.
1 mile is equal to 640 acres.
5 times
2.5 is equal to radius is equal to
1600.
5 into 640. Answer
1600, sir.
1600.
Yes, sir. 2.5 times 640, 1600.
1600. Is it? Yeah, more than 4. Yes, correct only. Yeah, find its area. Area is equal to pi r square.
So it's option D, sir.
Pi into 1600 into 1600. Right. Option?
D, sir.
Yeah, good. Yeah, there might be a chance for making, for doing this calculation wrongly. Generally, students do first find the area that is 6.25 pi, and convert this 6.25 miles into acres, which gives wrong answer. That is equal to A. It's wrong. Okay. Yeah, option D is perfect. The area, previously we used the formula to find the area of equilateral triangle. Do you know?
Yes, sir. Root 3 by 4a square.
Yeah, equate it to this, and so that you can find A. Yeah, here height is asked. Do you remember that relation? Relation between height and side. H is equal?
Root 3 by 2a.
Yeah, if we know the A, if we know the value of A, we can find height. That's the answer, right? To find A, we use this formula. Area of equilateral triangle formula, root 3 by 4 A square. 225 root 3. Root 3 cancel. A square is equal to
225 times
225 times 4, 900. 30 square.
a equals 30.
Yeah, use A here.
Root 3 by 2 times 30. 15 root 3s.
Answer.
Option E. 15 root 3.
The function g is defined by g of k equal 4k cube. What's the value of g of k minus 2? You know, g of k minus 2 is 4 times k minus 2 whole cube, right?
Yes.
G of k is equal 4k cube. So g of k minus 2 is equal 4 into k minus 2 whole cube, which is equal to 256. Then k minus 2 whole cube is equal to 256 by 4. What is the 256 by 4?
256 by 4.
64. Okay,
Yes, 60.
is equal to 4 cube. K minus 2 whole cube is equal to 4 cube.
K minus 2 equals 4.
4.
K equals 6.
K is equal
6.
options.
Option.
These are the questions.
Yes.
So you need to prepare for the same set, or you need board topic. What are the current board topics?
Sir, there are no board topics, sir. I don't take the math class anymore.
Oh, okay. In 12th, you don't have math.
I mean, I do, sir, but I'm done with the math during summer. I did it on my own.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, so I'm done with that class for now.
Yeah, yeah. So SAT topics.
Yes, sir. SAT itself.
Yeah, actually, in India, groups are there for 11th and 12th class, MPC, MEC, CEC, GC,
Yes.
like
Yes.
MBPC. Is that the same process, same categories there?
No, so for 11th and 12th, we don't have it, but after that, we have it like majors and we take it.
Okay. You know about MPC group, MEC group, BIPC group, like that?
BIPC, yes, sir. MPC, BIPC, yeah.
Yeah, but not there.
No, sir, not yet.
So,
I'll have it after 12th.
so all students must study all subjects?
Yes, sir. There's like a requirement for graduations. So I studied in summer, so I don't take much of the
Okay.
12th grade stuff, sir. And also because I'm done with summer courses, alternative days I get home by 12
Okay.
in the afternoon, and the other days I get home by 2:30 in the afternoon when I have, yeah. So I come home early and I study for other exams. And I'm taking classes for my college first year now.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
That means you don't need to study social or geology, some like subjects.
Oh, I'm done with that, sir. Government and economics are for 12th grade. So I'm done with government and economics, both the class.
Okay, okay, that's good. Okay, right. Then we'll collect more questions from. Do you? I asked you to go through that book. I think it's a very interesting. That book contains standard questions. If
Oh, I'm
that
sorry.
will,
I was doing work and I didn't go through the book. I'll go through.
yeah, so that we will get new questions.
Yes, sir.
We observed some questions there. I think they are very standard, high standard questions
Yes,
that
sir,
are
sure.
very useful.
Sure, sir.
I'll show the title of that book.
You
Yeah.
did show me, sir.
Yeah, SAT Math Mastery.
Yes, sir.
Sample. Go through it and let me know if it is useful. We'll get
Sure.
full version.
Sure, sir.
Okay. Thank you.